Welcome. Today we will explore on raising awareness, from ideas to impactful movements. Raising awareness is much more than just sharing information. It is the spark that ignites action, inspires change, and builds movements that can shape communities and societies. From the smallest local initiatives to global campaigns, awareness has the power to transform perceptions, influence behavior, and mobilize people toward meaningful causes. But turning a simple idea into an impactful movement requires strategy, creativity, and persistence. The first step in raising awareness is clearly defining the purpose of your message. Understanding the problem, its implications, and the audience you aim to reach is essential. Without clarity, even the most passionate efforts can lose focus and fail to engage people effectively. Research and data play a key role here. They provide credibility and help frame the issue in a way that resonates with your audience. A well-articulated message is more likely to capture attention and inspire participation. Once the purpose is defined, storytelling becomes the bridge between awareness and action. Stories humanize issues, making them relatable and emotionally compelling. Whether it's highlighting personal experiences, sharing community successes, or using visual narratives, storytelling creates a connection that raw facts often cannot. In today's digital age, multimedia platforms, videos, infographics, social media posts, and podcasts amplify these stories, reaching a broader audience in a way that is engaging and memorable. Collaboration is another cornerstone of building impactful awareness movements. Partnering with organizations, influencers, community leaders, and volunteers can significantly extend the reach and credibility of your campaign. Collective efforts often generate a sense of shared responsibility and community involvement, motivating more people to take part. Crowdsourcing ideas, hosting workshops, and organizing events are effective ways to involve stakeholders directly, turning passive observers into active participants. Measuring impact is equally crucial. Tracking engagement, evaluating behavioral changes, and collecting feedback help understand the effectiveness of awareness efforts and identify areas for improvement. Awareness without impact can feel like shouting into the void. Therefore, connecting awareness initiatives to actionable outcomes, policy changes, community programs, fundraising, or volunteer mobilization ensures that the movement achieves tangible results. Finally, persistence and adaptability are key. Awareness campaigns may face challenges, opposition, or periods of low engagement. Learning from these experiences, adapting strategies, and continuously reinforcing the message can sustain momentum. Successful awareness movements, from environmental conservation to social justice causes, share a common thread. They transform ideas into collective action, inspiring long-lasting change. In conclusion, raising awareness is an intricate process that goes far beyond spreading information. By combining clear purpose, compelling storytelling, collaboration, measurable outcomes, and persistence, individuals and organizations can transform a simple idea into a powerful movement that creates real impact. Awareness, when executed thoughtfully, has the potential to shift mindsets, ignite action, and contribute to a better, more informed society. Thank you for your patience hearing.